G'day. So I had 1,000 subscribers. Congrats to me. And now I'm just gonna go embarrass myself in public. Let's go. KawKawKins. Go!
News. YouTube. There's a YouTuber.
Subscribe!
It's been a long day without.
Okay guys, we have a native up here. One of my family members reunited. You left. Fuck it, I'm hungry. Let's go get some food.
I believe I can fly.
Oh, cool. Let's go. Alright, let's get some tunes for the road. Birdie? Birds make me anxious. It's a good band. The Ruffled Feathers, my favorite. Back to work, everyone.
When a bird, when a bird is a word, and when a bird, a bird's a word.
Hey guys, I'm back again in the car. We're off to get some chips because that's all birds eat. Let's get some fries.
I think this place ruined it.
Can I grab a large fries and a double cheeseburger combo things?
Also just travel through.
Cool. Thank you very much. No, go 5. You're in the bus like that. I look so I need to get some water for my bird feeder and a pair of rubber gloves, so let's go. Wait, let me lock the car.
No, bird feeder actually.
Do you usually sell bird feeders? I'm from the front.
Seat.
We're on a mission to find gloves. We know who the f they are. What does a bird need to do to get service around here, man? The staff just thought I was a f***ing rooster. Going, caw, caw, caw.
Damn, son.
I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, boy.
That lady looked like she'd seen birds every day of her career there. She gave no reaction whatsoever. So now we're going to only the best electronics retailer in New Zealand, period.
Frisco's.
You never buy better. Tax solutions here. But I need to make calls to my family up on the lamppost.
Yep.
It needs to be waterproof because I fly on the water quite a lot.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I've got AX5 right there, the one you're looking at. That's waterproof.
Sponsored by Oprah. Thank you, you're too kind. Thanks guys for 1,000 subs, I really appreciate it. Don't make me do this again though.
Also subscribe to Homie Phone because he's better.
Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle waddle. Till the very next day, bump.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Yeah.